It's Friday, October 11th. I'm buying some Tesla 230 puts here at 1186. And this is on what I am hoping is a little bit of a rollover to the downside here that's starting to form on the red bar. Obviously, the stock gapped down big today, so that's a negative sign. Buying did come in right near that 215 area, took it up a little bit into that pre-market highs. The overall market on the QQQs is strong, but they kind of hit their top of their overall range, and some stocks are pulling back. So with the weakness in this stock and the red bar forming here, I want to see if we roll over and start testing those lows again. Context wise, even though we're a little green here on the morning, there's definitely room to start running down to these lows down here in the 200 area. Obviously we're going to close the week strongly red. It doesn't mean it's going to take a while for this stock on the weekly chart to kind of regroup and then look like it wants to move to the upside here. If it closes strongly red, you kind of expect it to test the lows of that, whatever this weekly low is next week, into these pivots down here. So there's a lot of negativity obviously at the moment, a little bit of exhaustion risk to the downside, but I kind of like the way we're just grinding a little higher but not really getting momentum and now turning red. So I'm going to take a chance and kind of buy it right in this area here. Can we come up and maybe get to 225 first before it rolls over? Who knows? But I'll just see if we get that immediate follow through and we can get back through the midpoint of that first bar, test those lows again. That's what kind of, let me erase that. That's what kind of I'm hoping for. Like I said, the QQQs, as I discussed, I bought some calls here early. They had a very nice trade to the top of the range. I discussed that's an inflection point. Kind of like yesterday, we're pulling back pretty strongly from those highs. So, it's tough to say if this is just kind of the top of the range. We're going to fail all day long, maybe get through the lows of the day and maybe even fail at the top of this bigger range, which goes back here. It's hard to see. But if we get back to these lows, then we could be going all the way back down there. So I'm not saying that's going to happen necessarily. I want to watch price action. For now, it's just kind of a pullback that if it just holds in here, might have another push up. But I'm going to go with the weakest stock out there, Tesla, and see if it kind of stays red here and then follows to a little lower and kind of works to the lows of the day. And if that closes, if we close really weak, then overall we could be kind of working down to that area down here.